Vanessa, my name is Aristides Vaz, and welcome to Terrafall,
Thank you so much.
and welcome to our activity, Terrafall Beach Sport. Vanessa, I have been observing you during these days, coming to see us or to watch us. So, can you tell us your opinion about your feedback about how do you feel with all this movement these days?
That's a very nice question. It's
Thank
a good
you.
question, and I would like to say, for me, this kind of activities is a so interesting cultural thing because all the people come together, they meet together, and they celebrate their activities like their special kind of talents, like. Even if it's football, surfing, it's always in a group, it's always together, and that makes it so special for me. When you, for example, yesterday the people play Batuka.
Batuka.
It's the energy. Also this place, it's the energy. You have the nice beach, you have the Monte Graciosa,
Okay,
and yeah, it's very nice to see for me.
Thank you so much, Vanessa. Vanessa, you are from Germany, all right?
Right? Yes.
And what motivated you to come to? No, nowadays I can notice you are living here.
Yeah.
In Tarrafal. I'm sure that you did great to move for the place, but what motivated you to move?
Uh, Especially this place here in Terrafal is for me so familiar. The people are like a big family, so friendly, and you will never feel alone when you're here. And it's so different to stay here in front of Germany. So I was born there, I grew up there, but I travel a lot.
Sorry.
No problem. I met a lot of people. I met many kind of different cultures, and it was always interesting to see for me how people act in world. But when you come to Africa, I think you will never come back as the same. And even in Cape Verde, the people are truly friendly. They are truly have a good heart, and you will feel this.
That's great.
And yeah, that was my reason I come here in January, and I don't come back. I go back. I go back for 2 or 3 weeks, and if you go back to Germany, you feel this different kind of life. So, for example, in Germany, the people don't talk to each other. They don't. Maybe they say hello, but they don't ask how are you, how do you feel, even if you know them longer. It's so different, and here you have the social, simple life, and I love this.
Okay. Thank you so much for your answer. If I ask you to describe your feeling about Cape Verde and particularly about Tarrafal in a simple word, how can you tell that?
It's a simple, lovely life.
Thank you so much, Vanessa. Vanessa, would you like to ask him some question or to know something special?
Yes, I want
Yeah.
to ask you because I was at your place in Lamba Lamba.
Okay.
It was very nice to see. How do you feel here in Villa?
Lamba Lamba, I don't know if you know the meaning, means step by step, or how we say in Creole, passo passo.
Okay.
Was the way how we create that project. Normally, the word created is not the appropriate one because we didn't create anything. Just the nature gave us everything that we need. We're just responsible to take care. So this is how we feel. So everybody that passed by in Lamba Lamba is another contribution, is another motivation for us.
Yeah.
So receiving you in our place was really an honor, a great honor, and we feel blessed to have the opportunity or the responsibility to be chosen by the nature to take care of this amazing piece of place.
Yeah,
So for us,
definitely it's a truly peace there.
So you are invited to go back again.
Yes, of course, I
to
will
maybe
come, yeah.
To spend a night with us, to see how the things happen there, and so this is Lamba Lamba is alive. My background in Tarrafal prepared me for that
Okay.
because here, when I was a child at age, I don't know if you can see the lighthouse
Yes,
over
I
there.
know the lighthouse.
At the
Yeah.
age of 8, I used to go there early in the morning to get firewood.
As a tourist, simple thing.
You can see
Tourists
that?
don't do this alone. It's so dangerous for
So
tourists.
that was preparing me to be a guide because I start to know the places, and so I decided to study, and now
Hola.
and nowadays Lamba Lamba I learned to cook, And I remember my mother used to ask me to cook, but I didn't like it but as a child, but nowadays I thank her for that. So, as I told you, I feel really blessed too. Yeah, thanks to Lambo Lambo, I can meet people like you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like you, yes.
It was a pleasure for me to meet you there.
Of course. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Vanessa, I would like to welcome you again to Tarrafal.
Thank you.
And as I told you, this day we are going to have a lot of activities, finishing on Sunday with the fashion show. We'd like to have you there with us and your friends or anyone else. So thank you so much for
Thank
your
you
for your
so
time,
much.
for the great conversation.
Muito obrigada.
De nada. How do you say in German?
Vielen Dank. Vielen Dank.
Bitte.
Ja, bitte.
Aí tá, eu não termino.